Basic Mathematics, Class 12. Chapter 1, Matrices and Determinants. In this video, we are going to learn what is matrix, order of matrix, standard form of a matrix, types of matrices, algebra of matrices, and some properties. Matrix. First, we should know what is matrix. Matrix is an arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. The numbers are enclosed in square brackets or ordinary brackets. The matrix are always denoted by capital letters A, B, C, and so on. For example, A is equal to 1, 3 minus 2. It is the first row of this matrix. 4, 5, 6 is the second row of this matrix. See here, we are enter the numbers in horizontal lines. See the first column, that is 1, 4, second column 3, 5, third column minus 2, 6. Here we enter the elements or numbers in vertical lines. So simply, matrix is an arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. The numbers are enclosed by square brackets or ordinary brackets. Matrix is always denoted by capital letters. Order of a matrix. If a matrix A has m rows and n columns, then A is called the matrix of order m cross n. Example, A is equal to, I read the elements in row ways. A is equal to 2, 3, 4 minus 1, 6, 5 is a matrix of order 2 into 3, which means here we can see 2 rows and 3 columns. The 2 rows are 2, 3, 4 is the first row, minus 1, 6, 5 is the second row. So 2 rows. The 3 columns are 2, minus 1, 3, 6, 4, 5 are the 3 columns. Second example, B is equal to 2, 5 is a matrix of order 2 cross 1. Standard form of a matrix. A is equal to A11, A12, A13 and so on, A1n. A21, A22, A23 and so on, A2n. In column wise it goes to up to mth element, AM1, AM2, AM3 and so on up to AMN. Is a matrix of order m cross n, where A11, A12, the subscripts and all mentions the position of the element. For example, A23, second row, third element, AMN, mth row, nth element. From this standard form of matrix, we can construct 2 cross 2 matrix, 2 cross 3 matrix. Like this, we can construct m number of matrix. Types of matrices. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. 471 is a row matrix of order 1 cross 3. A matrix having only one column is called column matrix. Example, 482 is a column matrix of order 3 cross 1. Zero matrix or null matrix. A matrix in which all the elements are zeros is called null matrix or zero matrix and denoted by O. Square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to number of columns is called square matrix. Example, first one is a square matrix of order 2 cross 2, or also we can read that as order 2. Second one is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3, also we can read that as 3. In a square matrix, the diagonal from left top corner to the right bottom corner is called principal diagonal or leading diagonal. Rectangular matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is called rectangular matrix. Diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which all elements except the elements in the principal diagonals are 0. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are same is called scalar matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal to 1 is called unit matrix or identity matrix, and it is denoted by I. First one is 1 0 0 1 is an identity matrix of order 2. Second one is identity matrix of order 3. Equal matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal if and only if their orders are same and their corresponding elements are equal, then only we call the two matrices are equal matrices. Example, A is equal to 2145 and B is equal to 2145. Their A and B are equal matrices. Algebra of matrices. Scalar multiplication. If A is any matrix and K is any scalar, some constant, then K into A is a matrix obtained by multiplying every element, underline every element of A by K. If A is equal to ABCD, then K into A means we need to multiply K to each element of matrix A. That is, each element of matrix A means ABCD. So K into A is equal to KA, KB, KC and KD. Addition of matrices. Two matrices can be added or subtracted only if their orders are same. If A and B are matrices of order m cross n, then A plus B is of same order and it is defined as the matrix obtained by adding the corresponding elements of A and B. If A is equal to 147230 and B is equal to -315624, here A and B are of the matrix of order 2 cross 3. A plus B, here we are adding the corresponding elements. For 1 corresponding element is -3. For 4, 1 followed by the remaining elements. The output is -2, 5, 12, 8, 5, 4. Similarly, subtraction. The addition of matrices and scalar multiple of matrix satisfies the following properties. Pause the video and note the properties.